Okay, good morning. It's your DIY house husband here. So I decided to show you how to change the switch of this one. I did check this one. This is a I don't know electric kettle, and it's not working. And then I checked the switch. It's broken. I ordered a switch like this. So I did order 16 amperes because this is about it says here it's about 18 hundreds or 1850 watts. That's why I need to have 16 amperes as my switch. The current switch of this one is I'm not sure, but I did check it, and the problem, I did remove the screws here, and the line is okay, everything is okay. So I found out that the switch is the one broken. So just to show you that it's not I think I don't need to show you that it's not working. Okay, so for kettle like this is, I think, Tough Mama. Anyway, they have almost the same design. So for kettle like this, if you want to check the switch or change the switch, no need to remove this one. Just use flathead screwdriver and try to pry this one open. So just do it slowly until you hear that one. So that's the lock actually. So if you hear that one, then start going here. So if you have a card, it's better to pry this one. I hope you can see it. And slowly pull it. Okay, and then do not pull this one. You need to remove this part. So you need to open it first before you pry this one open. Okay, and they can separate. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the switch. It's broken. So all you need to do is, of course, remove the connection here. Just pull this one. If it's similar with your kettle. Okay. Then remove the screws here. So let me just get change my screwdriver tip. Okay. So there's a screw here, and there are two screws here also. So you need to remove this. No need to remove, just loosen them. Okay. I hope you can see it. The lighting is okay. Then you can pull this one. Okay. And pull it. So this is the switch actually. So if you're going to order, they will only give you this one. So see the difference? You need to remove this cover and put it here. So I think they're the same, exactly the same. So I'll be removing this one. So start from, if you can see here, maybe pry this one, not the other end. So this is the one with the removable lock. So just try to pry it open, that one. Okay, and it's removed. So let me check. Yeah, as you can see, this is 13 amperes. I don't know if you can see it. It's 13 amperes. So we will be changing this one. This is broken, by the way. The one inside is broken. I don't know if you can. I think the camera cannot show you, but anyway, the one inside is broken, so even if you switch it on or off, it will not connect. That's why we are replacing it with this one. So this is 16 amperes. I hope this will do the job. And let's put it the other way, and then put it here, clip it. I'll just clean this one because that's dirty, and then I'll put it back. Okay, so I'm done cleaning this part, so I'll be again. Yeah, okay, so put it here and then see that this one matches that, and then press it the other side as well, press it. Okay, so this is the switch. Okay, and you need to insert it here. That's why we loosen the screw. So insert it here first. That's it. So it's inserted. Then put it there. So for you to put the screw, wait. I think I did. Did I wait? Yeah, I think I did interchange it. Okay. Okay. So, as I said, you insert it here. Yeah. And then, yeah, because if you did interchange this one, it's quite hard putting the screw there. Screw back. Okay, so let me just put the screw first. Here. Okay. This is not the original screw, by the way. The original screws rusted, that's why I replace it with that one. So it's best if there are rusty screws, you replace it, because it will be hard removing that in case you need to repair it again. Okay, and then connect the connection, and do not do not put the cover first. Check your kettle if it's working before putting it back. Okay, so let's check it. In checking guys, you need to put some water here to avoid and follow the minimum. Maybe I'll have 0.8 liters here. Okay, so I think that's it. And then let's put it on top of its heater. Okay, so let's just put it here first. Do not plug it yet. Okay, and then plug it. And if you're going to test this, be sure not to touch this part. Okay, so let's try it. This is, I think, off. Let's press on. Okay, and I think, as you can see, it's having its light. So maybe let's wait. And as you can see, it starts boiling already. Okay, so I think it's working. So let's turn it off and then put the cover back. So be sure not to touch the wirings again. Just touch the switch here. Okay. Okay, and that's off. Okay, so let's remove the cover. And cover the what they call this line, and then be careful because this is hot. It's hot already, and not too hot though. Okay. Then pour the water, and then let's put the cover back. I forgot, by the way, that before putting the cover back, it's your time to it's your time to clean the inside of this one. Be careful not to put water here. Okay, so because if you have the cover, you cannot put your hand here, so it's your time to clean the inside. Okay, so let me just finish this cleaning and then we'll put the cover of this one back. So in putting the cover of this one back, you need to put this one first here. Okay, so maybe see the fit. Oh, it's not like that, of course. It's like this. Then put it here. So align the groove of the cover with this one. Oops, okay. So that's it. Okay. Then, okay. So that's it. So you know that it's a fit if this one is there's no space here. Okay. And then slowly press this part until you go here. Check if the wires are not on the inside. It should be on the outside before putting this or tightening this. Just press it. Okay, so you can hear the click. It's not yet locked. Okay, that's it. So check the fittings. It's perfectly fit. The other side as well. It's okay. And then try it again. If it works, then you're good to go. Okay? So everything is, I think, okay. So that's it. I hope this video helps. So before having this one checked, be sure to check first the switch. It might be that the switch is broken. As for me, I did make my own testing part. So I did test this one using a tester. It's not working. I did use this one to test. So this is the switch. I made my own. Actually, this is industrial switch. And it works. That's why I know that this is not working. And be sure to order some extra switch because these are easily broken. So at least if this is broken again or it's damaged, then you can again replace it with your extra switch. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.